I know it don't.
Doesn't matter, it looks cool.
Exactly.
I'm gonna put one in the Sky Sword too.
I'm a balanced fan. Thanks, Greg.
Let's just make it quick. It's still, with the cameras, it still looks like there's light.
I mean, no, there is.
Timer cleared.
Ready?
Yep.
Gear up. Flaps
He's
up.
definitely watching. People are watching on that camera for sure.
Let's just get out of here quick.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
We're not gonna fly in the dark because it's not dark yet. I'm just gonna fly fast and be done with it.
This is that old pack, Gen Z.
Sounds just as good as mine.
It is probably.
And mine's near brand new. I love that.
That sound?
Yeah. Whoa.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
You personally wouldn't put an afterburner in yours, huh?
No. I'm gonna put one in the Sky Sword though for sure, because
This
that's
is
not
the
a real
only plane
plane.
I have, or my motor is, when we have the same plane, is more balanced than yours.
Right.
But it's only because it's 3 flights and I got it.
Right, it's brand new. I love how we line up together, not even trying.
Oh yeah, I see you doing this, and I'm gonna
Yeah.
do it. Yeah. Because we're not thinking, we're just like feeling everything.
Yep. Like that.
Yeah.
Okay, behind you.
I see you guys on
What are you doing, God?
And now they got a live camera so everyone can see everything you're doing.
Time
Right.
remaining 1 minute.
I probably fly, yeah.
This is it. I'm done. You ever seen? That's the same thing you do. I can do it with this.
Nice. Oh yeah, I've done crazy shit too. Here we go.
Yeah. Mine spins like crazy, and I just hold it.
Yeah.
And then as soon as the... Whoa! You good?
Good, yeah.
What did you do?
I tried literally like 6 things by a millimeter.
I heard it.
Holy
I heard it scratching on the ground.
Holy shit. Dude, like literally, like just the plastic part hit.
Wow. That's funny.
That'd be funny. Let's see when I land, I'll scrape up again.
I heard it. I'm like, oh crap, did he crash?
Time
Yeah.
remaining
Oh, sun's down
15
now.
Seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
Dude,
4,
this fucking
3,
landed in the ocean. This
2,
is the one with the ESP
1.
cut out.
Oh really?
Time expired.
Your canopy's
The
up.
canopy's off. Yeah, that's it. Good thing I landed because that probably would have blew up.
Would have blown off. Okay, here, watch. Now that you're down. Once you get to a spot, before I come in, I want you to see that spin. I don't know if you see me do
You cut
it.
the throttle too, right? Like a.
I go up and cut it.
Yeah, like a. What's that shit called that you do?
Here, go watch it. Let's do it.
Yep, hell yeah.
Sometimes it does this weird little rock, but
Gear down.
dude, that was crazy. What did you scratch?
Probably the. Oh no, it's the plastic.
Oh, your
door.
plastic. You ripped it. You're lucky you didn't blow your fan. Look out.
Landing flag.
You're lucky you didn't blow your damn fan. I bet you there's little pieces out there.
Flaps up.
Yeah.
It looked like I was clear, and in that last little race.
Yeah. I'm gonna look and see. Good day, man. I'm glad I came. Oh yeah, there's pieces.
1 minute over.
It's pieces scattered all over here. One, yeah, I see like 3 pieces. Yep. There's one there. One here. One there. No, I know. I'm just picking it up because it's funny. You're lucky you didn't blow your fan. All right, let's get out of here. They all hit the ground. They all hit the ground. Look. Look.
Oh, I know why too.
Why?
Because I had that hot glued and that piece stuck out about 1/2 inch.
Ah, there you
That's
go.
exactly what cut.
Otherwise, you'd have been okay. That was cool. Good flight. The clouds never made it over.